What is up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today I have for you a new tool that I picked up on Amazon. It's called the Schlong, I don't know. Anyways, I just picked this up. It was on sale for $58.99 with a $5 off coupon, so I brought it down to what, $53, which is not bad. With taxes it came out to around $58, $59, and it's a pretty cheap electric ratchet wrench compared to all the other ones. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. And again, this thing was pretty cheap. I don't expect anything great from it. I don't expect to be, it's not a Milwaukee. It's not a, one of those high brand. According to Amazon, it's 40 Newton meters or 40 foot-pounds of torque. The box is kind of cheap though. They put three premium quality guaranteed, luxury premium quality guaranteed, 100% best. I mean, really? do you need these fake awards on here? They could have done without that. But according to this thing has about 280 RPMs. The voltage is 12 volts and its capacity of 2 amp hours. So that's pretty good, 2,000 milliamp hours. That's not bad. And again, this is made in China. That's pretty much the box right there. It does come with a nice carrying case, which I like. It's, it's pretty decent. I mean, you can tell this thing is not 100% quality. As you can see, it's like flaky everywhere. But it's a decent, it's a decent case to carry your tool around, especially if you're, working on cars and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with your instruction manual on the ratchet wrench. It says it has a two-year guarantee. So you can contact them, I guess, at Schlong USA at 163. I don't know if they'll be around that long, but it says 2 years. So I'm assuming this is the charger here. Charger again says Schlong or S-Long. It's supposed to be a fast charger. I think under 90 minutes, supposed to fully charge your battery. I mean, I don't blame it. The battery is kind of small. And this is the battery right here. Again, this is the lithium-ion 12-volt battery. 2,000 milliamp hours or 2 amp hours. The charger goes connected up here, as you can see. Nice simple design. I've seen other ones that have the dock, and it looks like they could have put a dock in here, but they just threw this thing in here. And usually most ratchet wrenches come with 2 batteries on Amazon. This one only came with 1 single battery, but I'll put a link in the description of the replacement battery or an extra battery I found on there. It's a Von House spare 12-volt lithium-ion battery. I forget the name of it, but anyway, link in the description. It comes with a ratchet, a regular ratchet with a 1/4 inch adapter, which is pretty good, and we can use that on the actual ratchet wrench. It comes with 8 different sockets, which is pretty cool. It even had some weird odd numbers in here. So it has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, a 16, which I've never seen, and the 17. And then it also comes with a small extension right here, which is pretty cool. And they all seem to be kind of polished. Usually you pay extra for the polished stuff. So yeah, let's get to the big boy of the show. This is the actual ratchet wrench here. It looks pretty chill, pretty good. The actual feel of the knob is doesn't feel weak at all. It feels pretty sturdy. And the switching of from left to right or from loosening to tightening is pretty nice. It does have a snap ring right here. It's pretty well lubricated off the factory. I just don't really like these Phillips heads right here. This one seems to be really deep in there. I hope it's not cracked, but it looks pretty good. There's the insert for the battery. It only has 2 prongs right here, so that's all it is. Pretty simple design. And again, extra battery and link in the description, so in case you want to pick one up when you're buying this one. So yeah, this is the battery right here. Very simple design. You squeeze in from the side to get it on, or to get it off, sorry. And yeah, that's the way it goes. And there we go. And now it's in. Wow, that's pretty fast. It feels faster than 280. And then you see the reverse here, or to loosen. Has a battery indicator here. So as the battery dwindles down, it'll go from green, yellow to red, which is pretty cool. Has a light right here in the front so you can see what you're doing. I don't know if it's gonna be helpful because it's so weak, but it's pretty nice, and I like that it has the variable speeds. Look at how slow you can put it to medium, a little bit faster, and then extreme. That's pretty good. It seems really solid, really solid. So yeah, let's go test this out on my chair. I gotta tighten these nuts on my chair, so let's go test it out. Boom. All right, guys, so we're back. I got the chair right here. I'm gonna be loosening and then retightening some of these bolts right here. This one in particular, because this is the one that holds the actual leg over here. I have these old style chairs. These are from Poland. And believe it or not, I've seen these chairs in Disneyland. And I don't know if you guys ever been to Orleans Cafe. They have these exact chairs in that restaurant. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen it so we can test it, see how strong this is, and we're gonna tighten it. All right, so here we go. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, so here we go. Locked it accidentally. Oh wow. You know what, guys? This thing is actually pretty tough. Pretty tough. Alright, so now I'm gonna use it to tighten it. And I hope I don't break it since this thing is really strong. I'm gonna go real lightly. And right there, that's max right there. That's max tighten. I can tell you right now, that's pretty decent. I'm gonna use the actual ratchet or the actual wrench here, ratchet wrench, to see how much it tightened it. Oh wow. I can still tighten it more, but this ratchet here really did a good job here. I mean, of course I can tighten it more as this wood, so obviously it can go really tight. And see how easy it is to loosen. It's not easy to loosen either. So I'm gonna say it is what it say it is. It's advertised at the 40 Newton meters, and I'm pretty sure I confidently can say this thing can handle 45 Newton meter or 40 Newton meters. So I'm gonna loosen it again. Yeah, that's pretty good. I see that it cut out once it reached its maximum capacity. So it did cut out, which is kind of weird. But I don't know if it's the machine doing it or the battery that's cutting out. It like cuts out when it reaches a certain like tightness. I mean, obviously, it's not gonna go 100%. You know what I mean? If it did, it'll burn out the motor or the chips inside. So yeah, I can tighten it pretty good. So yeah, all in all, what do I think about it? I think it's a pretty good tool to have at home, especially if you're working on cars, if you're doing small projects in the house. You know, it's a good tool to have, because especially if you're working on a car and you're using one of these and you got to remove 50 of these things just to get to a certain part, this gets really tiring. And especially if you're a mechanic and you are doing this the whole day, using this gets really annoying. So having this available to you, it's pretty cool. And I'm gonna give it a thumbs up so you guys can buy it. Again, the link is gonna be in the description. Again, this is the S-Long or the Slong ratchet wrench, electric ratchet wrench, 12 volt with 2000 milliamp hour battery. And again, if you want to buy a spare, link in the description as well for the other brand. And yeah, give it a thumbs up. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more stuff from me and Jerry. And we will catch you guys on the next video, which would be probably a podcast. So catch you guys later. Peace.